Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you all controls and the gestures in your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE. So, here as you can see we do have our Samsung Galaxy Buds in our application, which is called the Galaxy Reval. Here we just have to tap the earbud controls and we do have all our earbud controls listed. For example, media controls. We do have pinch to play and pause, double pinch for next track, triple pinch for a previous track, or swipe up and down to control volume. Apart from that, here if we tap left, we can modify them and set it from switch noise controls to the digital assistant or other way, and set it, for example, either to off or mid sound, etc. Done. Same is to the right, and we can disable them too using just this simple switch. Apart from that, here we have the call controls, and we do have answer or end call, pinch, decline call, pinch and hold. This gesture can be only disabled or enabled. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.